So, today in this subject, we are going to present the presentation on the topic Renters Voice Australia Press Conference, the Rental Crisis Research. Myself, Saryu Kakria.
Myself, Manpreet Kaur.
I'm Nguyễn Giang.
So, in the first slide, the aim of the report, I am presenting that the mission to work on this assignment was to research on the topic rental classes, its all aspects, and what it's just meant by the Australian point of view. Coming on to the second slide. Sorry. Yeah. So coming on to the second slide, in the crisis in context, it's explained according to the major points It's explained according to the major points that the weekly rent, the causes of the rental crisis. So the weekly rents are increased. In the third point, it's explained the competition is very high. Like when we are going to some doing some inspection, so the crowd is onto the next level. Even the properties which the current tenants are living, its conditions are not very good, and all of them just directly affects all of the students, the families, and the nation people. And moving on to the next slide. Yeah. So just in the previous slide, as we discussed about the rental crisis. So if we research for from the quantitative analysis point of view, sorry, out of the 100%, if we divide some parts in those different aspects, so 41% is divided for the affordability and rent increases, 31% is given to the housing shortages and competition, like the inspection competition, 18% is given to the very poor living conditions, like the current tenants which are living on their properties, and only 10% is given to all other aspects. And in the location breakdown, it's explained as that affordability was the main issue in the capital cities, while the poor housing conditions just comes up more in the regional areas. So next slides will be covered by Manpreet.
And today we will discuss about the storytelling of image. Firstly, we discuss about roof capability. The first point is the roof is made of bricks, labels, and rents. And the second point is high rent or nowadays. And the third point is condition due to the rents of poor quality of housing. And the next slide is story human, and the first point is stress of financial pressure and the anger frustration of the peoples nowadays due to the high pay rents, and the dominant observe stress, fear, hopeless, and anger. And the next slide is marketing insight due to the emotional blackmailing nowadays, because people are nowadays the families are coming and they are finding large house, and due to the colleges people find their house near the campus. And the next slides will discuss by Nugent.
Okay, with this slide, we're gonna talking about like there are three interconnectors. In this, it's gonna explain us. Firstly, is rise awareness. It to inform and empower people. Second one is called advocates for changes. To which is mean to push for legal inform. And the last one is mobilize support. Mobilize support to build strong the network to make reforms stick and happen.
Just the next slide.
And just the next slide is closing message. So in there, the message is simple but powerful. The rental crisis isn't just about rent, it's about people, their safety, dignity, and in the futures. So together we can do something about it.
So that's all with our presentation today for this assignment.
Thank you.
And thank you.
Thanks for watching.